Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger notifications not working on iPhone. So first is to check iPhone notification permissions. So close that and go to settings. Once you're on settings, scroll down and go to notifications. Select it, then scroll down and look for Messenger. Select it, then enable allow notifications just like so. And you can also enable lock screen, notification center, banners, etc. Next is to turn off focus mode. Focus modes can silence messenger alerts. So let's go back. Next is turn off focus mode. So focus modes can silence messenger alerts. So scroll down and go to focus, select it. So check whether focus, do not disturb, sleep, or another mode is active. So review allowed apps and notifications. So make sure do not disturb is turned off or disabled. Next, so let's close settings and go to Messenger. Now from here, tap on menu at the bottom right. Next, tap on settings. Next, scroll down and tap on notifications and sounds. Next, make sure do not disturb is turned off and make sure notifications are turned on. So for example, show previews, invites, new messages and activity. So make sure all of these are color blue. So except for do not disturb. And that's basically it. I hope that solves the problem. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.